Welcome back, gorgeous. Today we delve into a transformative contradiction, being high maintenance to live a low maintenance lifestyle. It may sound paradoxical, but investing time and effort upfront in your beauty regimen can save you time, energy, and yes, even money in the long run. We've curated 15 practical tips designed to elevate your beauty routine and simplify your life. We're talking about everything from routine dental checkups to investing in high-quality beauty products. This comprehensive guide is engineered to help you strut through life feeling your absolute best. So, whether you're a beauty enthusiast or simply looking to put in the hard work now for an easier beauty routine later, you've landed in the right place. Buckle up as we dive headfirst into our inaugural beauty tip. Tip number 1 is about your smile. Regular dental checkups are a must. It's not just about having pearly whites, but also maintaining your oral health. Issues like gum disease can sneak up on you, and a professional can spot these early. Plus, regular cleanings can help keep your breath fresh and your teeth looking their best. It's a key part of your beauty routine that shouldn't be overlooked. Remember, a healthy smile is a beautiful smile. Moving on to tip number 2, let's talk about tanning. Whether you're sunbathing or using a self-tan product, achieving that sun-kissed glow can boost your confidence and highlight your features. Always remember though, safety first. Use a high SPF sunscreen when tanning outdoors, and for self-tanning, choose a product that matches your skin tone for a natural look. Apply evenly and wash your hands afterwards to avoid orange palms. So go ahead and get that sun-kissed glow. Tip 3 is all about your sleep routine. Have you ever thought how much an ordinary pillowcase can affect your hair and skin? Well, swapping it for a satin one can be a game changer. Satin reduces friction, meaning less hair breakage and fewer fine lines on your skin. Add a satin bonnet to protect your tresses further, especially if you have curly or coily hair. It's a small change, but trust me, your hair and skin will thank you. Sleeping on satin can make a big difference in your beauty routine. Next up, tip 4. Let's talk about hair removal. Whether it's laser hair removal or waxing, both methods have their benefits. Laser hair removal can be a game changer, providing a long-term solution to unwanted hair. It targets hair follicles to reduce hair growth. On the other hand, waxing is a quicker, cost-effective method that leaves your skin smooth and hair-free. Remember, whichever method you choose, it's all about personal preference and comfort. Stay smooth and hair-free with these methods. I'm halfway through the beauty regimen, and if you're finding these tips useful, it would be greatly appreciated if you could gently tap that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I have plenty more beauty secrets to unveil just for you. Stick around for more, and remember, your feedback aids me in creating content that you adore. So don't hesitate, interact with me, and let's carry on with this beauty journey together. Tip number 5 is all about pampering your skin. Regular facials are a must for maintaining a radiant complexion. They not only cleanse your skin deeply, but also increase circulation and stimulate cell turnover. Facials can address a variety of skin issues, from dryness to acne to aging. Not to mention, they're a great way to de-stress and indulge in some self-care. So, book your facial appointment now and treat your skin to the pampering it deserves. Remember, healthy glowing skin is always in. Moving on to tip number 6, skincare. A good skincare routine is the foundation of a radiant complexion. It's all about cleansing, toning, and moisturizing daily. Exfoliation once or twice a week helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, glowing skin underneath. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. What works for your friend might not work for you. Experiment, find out what suits you best. And oh, don't forget your SPF. Take the time to care for your skin, and it will thank you. Tip 7 is all about the ultimate pamper shower. Your shower routine goes beyond being just a daily ritual. It's an opportunity to provide your skin with the pampering it rightfully deserves. Begin with dry brushing to stimulate blood flow and exfoliate your skin. Following this, step into the shower for a comprehensive cleansing session. Utilize a top-tier body wash and remember to shave if that's part of your routine. Once you're done showering, gently your skin dry and smear on a moisturizing body lotion to seal in hydration. But let's not neglect our hair. Cleanse and condition your hair and apply an enriching hair mask if can spare the time. By dedicating time to nurture both your skin and hair during your shower routine, you're adding to your overall beauty. Remember, a luxuriously long shower can work wonders for your appearance. Tip number 8 is for your hands and feet. Regular manicures and pedicures aren't just about keeping up appearances. They are also a form of self-care that can make you feel pampered and confident. These treatments help maintain healthy nails, soften the skin, and improve blood circulation. They can also prevent nail diseases and disorders. So don't think of them as luxuries, but rather as essentials. After all, your hands and feet are always on display. Keep your hands and feet looking their best with regular care. Moving on to tip number 9, let's talk about lashes. Lash extensions or lash lifts can give your eyes that pop without the need for mascara. Extensions add volume and length, ideal for those craving dramatic lashes. Alternatively, a lash lift curls your natural lashes, giving an illusion of length and making your eyes appear wider. Both are fantastic ways to save time on your daily makeup routine. Remember, it's all about enhancing what you already have. Enhance your natural beauty with a little lash love. Tip number 10 is all about overall health. It's easy to forget, but our bodies are the canvas upon which all beauty is painted. Regular exercise keeps us toned and energetic, while a balanced diet nourishes us from within, giving us that radiant glow. Think of colorful fruits, leafy greens, lean proteins, and plenty of water as your secret beauty products. They are the building blocks of a healthy, beautiful you. Remember, beauty starts from the inside. Tip number 11 is for those who love to color their hair. Adding highlights can make a world of difference. This simple addition brings a depth and dimension to your hair that a single color just can't achieve. And the best part? Highlights grow out more naturally than a full head of color, so you won't be left with noticeable roots or a harsh line of demarcation. It's the perfect way to add a little extra oomph to your look. Add dimension to your hair with some highlights. Tip number 12 is all about hair health. Just as skin needs nourishment, so does your hair and scalp. A well-maintained scalp promotes hair growth and keeps those luscious locks looking radiant. Incorporate a scalp massage into your routine. It's relaxing and stimulates blood flow. Use a shampoo and conditioner tailored to your hair type, and don't forget to deep condition regularly. Tackle issues like dryness, dandruff, or oiliness head-on with specialized treatments. Remember, healthy hair starts at the scalp. Our 13th tip is all about your brows. A professional touch can enhance your facial features and give you a polished look. Think about it. Whether you prefer threading, waxing, or microblading, maintaining your brows can make a significant difference to your overall appearance. Frame your face, so don't neglect them. A brow shape that suits your face and maintain it regularly. And remember, a well-defined brow can be the perfect finishing touch to your beauty routine. Moving on to tip number 14, let's talk about products. You know, it's easy to be tempted by the array of budget-friendly options out there. But when it comes to beauty, it's crucial to invest in quality. Products are often packed with superior ingredients, offering more effective results. They may come with a heftier price tag, but they're designed to last longer and perform better. Your skin and hair deserve the best. Products can make all the difference. And lastly, tip number 15 is for your hair. Salon treatments such as keratin can work wonders, providing your hair with a smooth, shiny, and frizz-free appearance. These treatments can also aid in repairing damaged hair and preventing future damage. It's like giving your hair a luxurious spa day, but the benefits last much longer. From nourishing deep conditioning to protecting color treatments, salons offer a variety of services tailored to your hair's needs. Give your hair the salon treatment it deserves. And that wraps up our 15 high-maintenance beauty tips for low-maintenance living. From regular dental checkups and skincare to investing in quality products and salon treatments, we've covered it all. Remember, being high maintenance now can save you time and effort in the future. So, why not try out a few of these tips? You might just find your new beauty routine. Don't forget to share your experiences with these tips. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thanks for sticking around, beauties. If you found these high-maintenance beauty tips helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty advice. We're all about helping you find routines that work for you, so we'd love to hear your experiences with these tips. Stay tuned for more, and until then, keep shining.